And then one more curtain wall out to the front here. So again, we'll go to wall, selecting curtain wall empty, edit type, duplicate, and we'll call this one front. Pressing OK, automatically embed will turn on, press OK. So in the options bar, we will change straight away to unconnected, and the height is 2600. So we can change our unconnected height straight away to 2600, and we'll draw. And the width is 5700. So we'll select it, change our width to 5700. And then lastly, place a section view in front of our curtain wall, changing the depth of view. And here we have our segment. So first off, we'll do the center one. And again, a meter either side. And then equally spaced between again. Next on the horizontal, we have equally spaced in between, and then 400 above. Once we have them drawn in, then we can delete these inner segments here and the outer sections here. So select the segment, click, click, delete. Select this segment, click, click, delete. And this one, select the segment, click, 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 click. Next, we'll just again put in that double door. So again, hover over the segment, tab, 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 and change to glass door. And then applying mullions. Select delete. Select the curtain wall, click and drag drop. And then just position it. Again, just using the arrow keys and that to shift it around.